Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. I just have Wyatt joining me. He's the white puppy dog you'll probably see during the try on. I'm Laura. If you're new, please hit that subscribe, hit that like so I can keep on creating new content for you. So I thought it would be appropriate to close out the year with a Cabi haul. So I'm going to be sharing pieces from their last and final, I believe, winter collection, which was called the Setup Collection, as well as some other items I picked up, some from prior years and collections, as well as some from the 2024 winter collection. And then I think that's a wrap, because come January, you know, the spring summer collection is going to be coming out. All right, let's start with the Stealth jacket. So this one was one I had been contemplating getting earlier in the year. And then when you have to make tough choices, of course, you can't get everything that you want. But I did grab this one before it was gone. It's in this awesome knit. Check this out. It's stretchy, it's soft. It's like wearing a bathrobe, I think, for dress. It has the button here at the sleeve. The color's so cute. Pockets on the side. It'll just be a nice way to dress up a work from home outfit or even in the office. And it's in a gray, so it's going to go with everything. All right, next up, I'm going to share a few pieces from the prior collections. They just had a special sale you might have seen if you're a Cabi customer, where they were offering, like, I think it was some crazy like 70% off or something, some older items. So I grabbed the swag tee. I got it for $28. Thought that was super cute. I think it's gonna look really cute on. Has that little crossover there, but basically just an elevated white t-shirt. Is that not cute? Okay. And then I also grabbed the Duet Dress. I had looked at this one before. I didn't grab it. I passed. And now I got it for $70. But check this out. That sheer sleeve. Isn't that pretty? It's a sweater material. So this is, I think, going to be really pretty on. Cute little LBD, right? You can see the pattern in there. I'm really enjoying this. Okay, and the last one that I got from the vault is a pair of jeans, and these are the 100% boyfriend jean. I got them for $46. How cute are these? They're in this lighter wash, a straight leg, have a little bit of distressing at the knee. Here's the back. All right. And then I have one more, I think, before we get to the newer pieces. Yeah, this, I'm not sure which collection this one was in, but this one is a cute little black cardigan called the Treasure Cardigan. My stylist, Lisa, talked me into this one. She thought I should have it. Look how cute that is. Has the scalloped collar there, the gold buttons. And she never lets me down. However, easy returns if I decide that any of these pieces don't work. I think that's really cute. All right, now we're into the new pieces from the Setup collection. We're going to start with the Baroque Cami, which you have seen before. So you have seen it in black, you have seen it in cream, you have seen it in several colors, but how about this teal? It's the same cami with that gorgeous lace, so pretty, adjustable straps, but in this beautiful teal. I love that. Okay, and then I have the matching pants, and these are the Unwind Pant. Check these out. So these are like the pants that I got, like the book club plant, only maybe a little bit thicker. They're stretchy, they're incredibly soft. will look really pretty with this, right? And then throw any of the jackets on top. Is that not gorgeous? I love the color and that they are soft. And the leg is a little bit wider, but not too bad. All right, and then I have the Zelda set. This Zelda set is so pretty. I can't wait to see what it looks like on me, because I typically don't like this much pattern all over my body. So I might be wearing these pieces separately instead of together, but together they'll look like a jumpsuit, right? It would be adorable. How pretty is that? But I love that it's two different pieces so that you can separate them. Check out the elastic there at the sleeve, buttons down the front. This pattern is so, so pretty. Can you see that? I feel like you could wear this now and later. I think that is gorgeous. And this is the matching pant. Elastic waist. See that drawstring? Are these real pockets in the back, or are they faux? Oh no, they have real pockets in the back. And then side pockets in the front. And a little bit of a wider leg. So adorable, right? This would be cute worn together with like a black blazer. This is going to be fun. Let's see how these pieces work. All right, first outfit. I have on the 100% boyfriend denim and the Treasure cardigan. All right, so the 100% boyfriend denim came from prior year. I got these really inexpensively. They were $46, and they have a little bit of distressing at the knee. They're the perfect length for me. I have on a size 2. They are probably more of a mid-rise than a high-rise for sure. I like the wash. Fun little pocket contrasting in the back. Super cute. And then the Treasure sweater cardigan. So I do like the little scallop neckline, the gold buttons. It's lighter weight. You could easily wear something over top of it. Feels really nice on. I'm liking the gold buttons. I opted for the gold shoes. And for this one, it is regularly priced $129. $129. All right, so now I put on the swag tee. I do have a black bralette on today, so you're probably going to see that through here. But I did want to show you this fun little crossover. And I tucked it in because I still think you can tuck it in. You could wear it out. But I like that it gives some visual interest to the entire look in the front. And then we're going to throw the stealth jacket on top. This yummy, yummy, oh so comfy jacket is so very stretchy. It has snaps in the front. Hits about what? Hip. Has the pockets on the side. Snaps at the wrist. Kind of elevates the look. You go with any color you want under here. I think the gray pretty much will cover it all. So stretchy. It's not lined because it's going to have that whole entire stretch factor, right? Look at that. Oh, so nice. I love this. And then I love the little bit of that detail coming from the top. I feel like it takes this look from an ordinary to a little bit extraordinary. Okay. For the swag tee, I got it for $28. And then for the stealth jacket, the regular price is $175. Now for the dress. How fun is this dress? I'm going to step back first. So this is a really nice, comfy sweater dress. It would travel really well. It's not going to wrinkle. It's just really a nice length. You could dress it up. You could be casual. I feel like it's just such a pretty dress. Check out all the detail though. So the va-va-voom comes in right here where it is a little bit more see-through or open weave. So you could wear whatever, you could bring up a higher bralette if you'd like to. And then these sheer sleeves. How pretty are those? which makes this dress a little bit more elevated, right? The sleeves are so fun. I'm actually really enjoying this one. What do you guys think of this dress? So it was part of their vault sale, and I got it for $70. Now I have on the teal set, which I'm so in love with. Okay, so the teal pants have the side pockets, they have back pockets, everything is so stretchy, it's like so nice. The length is not too bad. Like I just put on this little heel because I wanted to see how high of a heel I would need. I think that would be pretty good. That would work. You could dress these up, keep them comfy for like a weekend, you know, road trip. I did leave my black bralette on, but I think you get the gist. So it's a thin little strap. They are adjustable. All this fun brocade. It's so pretty. Just go down the side. And then if you need a cute topper for this, how about the blouse? Right? So the Zelda blouse goes so nicely. The colors really complement each other. This has the nice elastic at the wrist. It's a button down. So you could even, you know, button a few buttons. If you wanted to do a little front tuck, do a little tie. Like I feel like there's so many different ways in which you could wear this that would be really adorable. This is a nice silky material. So comfy. Back to the brush knit of the pants. So cute, right? Cabi has the best clothes, and then they make sure that they are going to be something you want to wear season after season after season and pair back to items from prior collections. So the Baroque Cami in teal, $109 is the regular price. The Unwind Pant, and I'm wearing an extra small. I'm wearing an extra small in the Unwind Pant too, $125. The Zelda Blouse, I'm also wearing an extra small, $99. We have one last item. Final outfit is the Zelda set. So now I have it paired back to the pants. This is such a silky, fun, elevated outfit. Now I will tell you right off the bat, I have an extra small and I think I'm gonna size up to a small, just give myself a little extra room here so these pockets aren't sticking out. I need a little bit of extra room through the butt area. And since it's silky, it's not gonna be as forgiving. The length is really good. You can see these shoes work perfectly. I think this is such a fun outfit. Has the elastic waist here with the little tie. It's like putting on your silky jammies to go out. And then I buttoned it down this time so you could see it. I think you could wear a jacket, a black jacket with this would really take it to the next level. And then depending on your shoes and your jewelry. So cute, right? All right, my stylist is watching. I need the small in these pants. So it's called the Zelda Pant is $145. As I said, I have on the extra small, and I think that I probably just need them to be a little bit looser so I get that nice flow that is meant with the silky parts. Silky pieces, right? I love a silky piece. Okay, so that is a wrap on all of my Cabi styles. What did you think? How fun. So I do believe you could probably pair this outfit also back to the teal cardigan sweater that I think I shared in my last haul. I just think a lot of these pieces will be great mixes and matches. Of course, the jeans go with anything, the neutrals, the gray jacket, the black cardigan, so easy to fit into styles that you already own. Let me know what you think. What do you think of this one? I think this would look pretty too with like a black belt you could add to the middle. You could go with a color. You could even do a tan, like put a tan blazer over top of this or tan jacket. It's just going to be a fun one for you. I will list all these down below in case you would like to reach out to your stylist to grab any of them before they're gone. Time is running out. Remember, once Cabi comes out with the collection, that's it. When they're gone, they're gone. Every once in a while, you can try to get a style in their vault sales, but those are few and far between. If you need a stylist, I'll put mine down below. Her name is Lisa. She is amazing. She'll make sure you get styles that are perfect for your body and your lifestyle. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. If you would like to try these styles, you can also have a party. So if you don't want to pay that full price, a party can be you and 2 other people, and then you can get 50% off items. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.